Always make sure you can get the fill plug loose. Alright, if anyone else is struggling with this is a Honda J Series V6 engine. Going to be draining the transmission. Here's your snorkel, here's your battery. This is just going to be a quick video, okay? So right down there, the light's on it. That's the fill plug for the transmission. Got the laser on it right there. It's a 17 millimeter. But to break this thing loose, I had to use a half-inch 17 millimeter socket with a long extension and a half-inch breaker bar. So, tried using a 3/8 one, but it wouldn't budge. So, you want to make sure that you can get this loose before you drain your transmission, or you're not going to be able to fill it up. So, always make sure you can get the fill plug loose before draining your transmission. So 17 millimeter, half-inch, and once it breaks free, it makes a loud pop, and you'll be able to spin it out by hand. So there you go.